Hi lovely people, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Love That Bite. Today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry cake. This is one of my family's favorite. You may find a lot of different recipes how to make a strawberry cake, but I'm sure that you will love this cake as much as we do. So let's get started. In a large bowl, add the eggs, sugar, salt, vanilla extract, and mix them together on medium-high speed for about 3 to 4 minutes until pale and creamy. Add the vegetable oil, sparkling water, and mix on low-medium speed just until the liquid come together. Sift the flour and baking powder into the mixture and mix until well combined and there are no lumps. Pour the butter into the prepared pan and bake in the preheated oven for 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool while we are making the vanilla pudding. In a small pot, combine the cornstarch with a little bit of milk. Add the egg yolks and give a stir until well blended. Turn on the heat over medium and pour the rest of the milk, sugar, a pinch of salt, vanilla extract, and stir constantly until the mixture is getting thick. Put an adjustable ring around the cake. Pour and spread the hot pudding over the cake and let it cool for 15 minutes before we put the strawberries on top. Cut all strawberries into half and put over the cold pudding. For the last, we will make the glaze. In a small pot, add the cornstarch, sugar, and a bit of strawberry juice. Mix them together well until thoroughly combined, then pour in the rest of the juice. Turn on the heat over medium and whisk the mixture constantly until it begins to become translucent. Pour the glaze directly over berries and let it cool in a room temperature before we put the cake in the fridge. Let the cake stand at least 3 hours in the fridge before serving. Look at this gorgeous strawberry cake. Don't you think it's a great treat that's perfect for summer? So make sure you try this recipe and let me know how do you like it by commenting below. Go to LoveThatBite.com for the full description. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and if you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get a new update video. I'll see you next time. Bye.